Slow down. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, you got somebody following you.
Ooh.
Yeah, play with your friends.
Saxon,
Shut the door, please.
can you shut the door?
Watch your fingers. Good boy.
Thank you.
Come in. There you go. Good boy. Yeah. There you go. He's gone. Can you shake his hand? Can you give him nucks? Give him some nucks. Saxon.
Alex. Is he doing anything? Oh, goody.
Slow down on the concrete. You don't want to fall and bust your chin again. Yeah.
Ooh. Let's go on the grass.
Huh?
Let's go on the grass. What? You want to go over here?
Yeah.
On the ship?
Yeah.
What? On the turtle? No? Oh, you need your shoes? Somebody has your shoes. They're over there.